In the previous video, we talked about anchor stage. Now in this video, we'll talk about choice stage. Choice stage is used to select one choice out of multiple based on choice criteria. It helps you to take two or more decisions at a time. The value of the data item is compared with each choice criteria. If it finds the matching value, related steps are executed, else otherwise choice are executed. Otherwise choice is similar to no in decision stage. Let's take one example. Check alphabet is vowel or consonant. So first we need one data item. It means one variable where we can pass or we can store our alphabet. Let's say we'll pass A or B or C, D, like that. Second data item we need where we can show the result, like this is vowel or this is consonant. So first we'll take two data items. So just double click on that, take one data item and second, right? Now double click on this and put here alphabet, choose the data type is text, select this result, select the data type that is text, click OK. Set here by default initial value first time A, so that we can run this using A alphabet. Now we need to check here, check alphabet is vowel or consonant. In this we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So we'll go with vowels first because we have only 5. So we'll take choice stage here, just drag and drop, and here you can see once you drag and drop this choice stage, automatically one otherwise choice will be connected with this. Now just link with this. Now just double click on choice and here we need to enter our choice name and then the criteria. So we have 5 choice A, E, I, O, U. So we'll put here vowel and then let me add 5 here and then let me add here A to I, and then we need to check here if in the text we'll check if alphabet equals to A. So same way we have to do for all, like alphabet equal to A, then E, I, O, U. Let me do this first, copy. So here you can see our choice name is A and then we are checking if alphabet equals to A, whatever value will pass in this alphabet data item, that will be matched with this. So A equals to A, then related steps will be executed. If we'll pass E, so E if equals to E, then this related steps will be executed, right? Now press OK. Here you can see we have added 5 choice there. So there are 5 choice here added here automatically. So this is for A, E, I, O, U. If alphabet this is equal to A, so we can directly say A is vowel, right? So let me take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 calculation stage so that we can update those texts here. Let me take this first, double click on calculation. Let me connect this. So you can see now here we have A, E, I, O, U. So if alphabet equals to A, it will come to this and then it will enter here, it will write A, so it will write here alphabet. So we'll show like this, whatever value will update, will put in the alphabet variable, this data item, that will also show here. So let me take here this one alphabet, concat this and double quote space is vowel, right? Will show like this, if alphabet is A, so A is vowel. We'll copy this and we'll store this in the result. Now press OK. Same way we'll update for this also. and this is the last. If we are putting other than A, E, I, O, U, then what? Then it will go to other voice section. So here we can put here, otherwise this is consonant. Let's put here name, and then in the calculation we'll update here alphabet is consonant, but will update the same result in the result data item. Show this. We need to connect all these calculation stage with the AND, and just decorate this one. Change the name consonant, press OK, reset this, and now we are ready to run this. So we have already entered here alphabet A, so it should go here and check A, and then it will go to this A and then AND. Let me run this. So it will check here and then it will come to this. Now you can see the result, A is vowel. Now reset this, enter here B, reset this, run this. So if it is B, it will go directly to the other voice section, it means consonant, and it will show B is consonant.